Look how lovely the pigeon is.
Right, they're waiting on me at Floyd's, just as said. So after you.
Okay, right.
Ah,
Okay,
look how lovely he is. Just totally bite
see
me.
you later. Right, see you later.
Bye bye. Totally not sore. Ah. Ah. What? He's gonna eat me. Ah, please.
Right then, pigeon. Yeah.
Well, get away. Man, get away, man. Please get away. Oh, fuck.
I know, don't be stepping on top of him, sure.
I'm trying not to.
I know, but I'm just telling you, watch it because he's very quick.
He is, gonna eat my feet. Bro, what is he doing with his wings? What's he doing? What are you whining about? What? What are you whining about? Come on. Come on. You wanna fight me? Come on. Ah! See what I do with his wings? Just. You eat shit. Fuck you. You're so precious. Oh, you're so precious. You're so precious. Ah! Oh! Ugh. Bro, look at my hands. Bro, it eated me. Oh, you be tortured. I just want to pet you, man. Ah, that really hurted. Just wee shit. Eat me. He doesn't like the middle finger. Wacky. Ah! Oh my god, that is sore. Bro, what is homeboy doing? I didn't give him any treats, he's just angry. Oh, he stopped. And he's just gonna keep doing it. Ah, ah, ah. Isn't he just so lovely? Nah, I'm just joking. He's not. He's a shit. But he's also a very nice pigeon. Very, very country over here. Ah, would you stop, please? Please stop it. Ah! Ah! Please, man, I just want to pet you, buddy. I just want to pet. I think he's gonna let me pet him. Let's see. What do you think I should do with a pigeon, guys? Tell me in the comments. I want to see what he would want to do. Tell me, because he seems to be... He's a very well-kept pigeon. He keeps himself very well-kept. Just give a boot up his arse. Just say this is the pigeon in my hand. Just like absolutely kick him. Like, ooh, just kick him. Just kick him up. What are you doing, man? I'm trying to pet him. Can I like... Look at us, guys. Look at this. Ah, please stop. Please stop. Please, 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 please. I'm trying to get him on. Please, man, get on. Ah. Look, he's on top of my arms. I think he likes you. I think he likes you guys. Come on, let's take you on a little road trip. He's beautiful, isn't he? If you guys are a pigeon, if you guys like pigeons, then